Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of Brave app. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we click on Brave app and we'll enter. Then this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave app. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.